Alright you guys, so today we're going to explore further the parameters with this turntable effect here in Illustrator. And this time we're going to do with some cartoon text, and of course we're going to animate this in After Effects frame by frame. So let's take a look. Alright, so for this scenario I got this 3D cartoon text that we're going to animate. So what we're going to need to do is select whatever composition you got. I'm just going to roll with the text because this is what I wanted to do all the time. So let's go here to the contextual taskbar, and here we got the new feature, the turntable. Let's click on this and it's going to transform it into 360. Now, of course, it's going to pop up another window where it's going to say that this illustration is too complex and it won't be able to recreate it perfectly, but we don't need that. So check this out. If you spin this, if you pull the handle, it is going to recreate this in 3D. Now, of course, this is not perfect because it's just an AI slop, but for my situation, I think this is pretty good. Create something new and explore some new frames. Check this out. For example, from this perspective, it looks pretty cool. So anyways, what we're going to need to do is select this option right here, place all views on canvas. I'm going to select it, and now Illustrator is going to freeze. Hopefully it's going to work a little bit. There you go. Now it's working, and I'm going to place it here, click. Now it's going to freeze again. That's the best part basically, and I'm going to delete the original design. And what we're going to need to do is also delete the last frames here. So I'm going to ungroup these, and I'm going to delete these because these are repeating themselves. And I also gonna delete the top ones and the bottom ones, and I'm just gonna roll with the middle compositions. And from here, I'm gonna scale this up, press and hold Shift plus Alt, scale it. Now let's not place it on the artboard. We're going to need to create artboard for every each of these. So for that, I did receive a really cool comment from a subscriber, which sounds something like this. Instead of creating multiple artboards, then aligning each shape to each artboard, you can select the artboard tool and hold Alt Option and click on each one to instantly create a one for each shape. Keep up the good content. So let's take a look at that. Let's go and search for the artboard tool, which is... let me see, it's right here, artboard tool. Select it, and if you have Windows, all you need to do is press and hold Shift plus Alt and then click. And check this out, it is going to add the artboard around the composition. All you need to do is just repeat this step. Now, of course, if you want to do some professional work, you're going to do this in Blender or Cinema 4D. And from here, I'm going to select this artboard. Let's go to the artboard options, click on delete here, and then we're going to need to export this. Go to File, Export, Export S, and here we're going to need to select the PNG file format, rename, and make sure to use artboards. Check it, select all, click export, and here I'm going to go with 300 ppi, click OK. Now my artboard size is probably going to be somewhere around 400 by 400. So let's go to After Effects, click on new composition. I'm going to go with like 1920 by 1920, click OK. And let's go to the folder with the frames, select all, drag it in, and take a look at that. I'm going to make the background transparent, and I'm going to drag it from here, press and hold Shift to scale it down. Now what I'm going to do is jump 2 frames ahead, so I'm going to press and hold Control and press the right arrow once and twice. From here, we're going to go to Edit, click on Split Layer, press on Delete. From here, I'm going to select the first layer, press and hold Shift, and then select the bottom layer to select everything. And from here, if you updated your After Effects, all you need to do is press and hold Control plus Alt, and let's go here and drag it. And I'm also going to need to zoom this in, so I'm going to press and hold Alt, scroll, so now I can see better. I'm going to press and hold Control plus Alt and drag them in like so. I'm going to zoom out and bring the timeline down here to the end. So it's going to loop itself. There you go. Right click here and select Trim Comp to Work Area. I'm also going to deactivate the background, hit play, and voila. There you go. This was a fun exploration, so take care and have fun.